This is the Kristin Ess Purple Shampoo. I love using this shampoo. It's perfect if you bleach your hair at all, are a blonde, and you want to keep the blonde color more ashy and not brassy or like super yellow. I highly recommend this product for that. The color is ultraviolet pigment, so the violet is very, very deep purple, but I feel like that works really well, at least for me, because it gets a really deep lather with that deep color and helps just replenish the hair and tone it to a more cooler tone. I also have had this bottle for a while and there's still plenty in it. It's the 10 fluid ounces, but for me it probably lasts around 6 months. You don't need that much, only maybe a quarter size in your palm. Just put it in your palm, get it a little wet, rub it between your hands, and then apply to your scalp. I really enjoy this, and it's also a very like cheap brand that still works really well, so the price also, you can't beat it.